When it comes to saving energy, money, and protecting your home, few things are easier than insulating your hot water pipes with pipe wrap. To get started, all you need is the pipe wrap, a tape measure, scissors, pipe wrap closures. Pipe wrap closure options include clips, duct tape, or integrated self-stick adhesive. In this video, we will focus on protecting the pipes connected to your water heater because insulating hot water pipes generates the most energy savings. Use caution when working with your hot water pipes. They will be hot. Starting at your hot water heater, measure the length of pipe wrap needed to cover all accessible hot water pipes. Carefully remove the pipe wrap from the included packaging and cut it to the length needed to protect your hot water pipes. Line up the seam of the pipe wrap with the hot water pipe, then push it on. Secure the pipe wrap using pipe insulation closure clips. You can also use duct tape to secure the installation, but closure clips are recommended to ensure tight seams. If your pipe wrap is self-sealing, cut it to size, remove the adhesive backing, place the wrap over the hot water pipe, and press the ends together. You can use pipe wrap to insulate cold water pipes as well. Now, set your water heater temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. As easily as that, you can start saving energy and protecting your home.